This movie consists of a multi-story building which includes commercial area, a beauty salon. Other 3 stories are used for apartments, 2 in each floor, and a luxury penthouse with a roof terrace. Building site is located in northern Denmark, Aalborg city, in highly evaluated district known as Hasseris. 5 similar buildings will be located on particular sites. Placement of buildings will provide for each of them great view and warmth from south. In order to get the best view, we analyze the site and we use the benefit of it. Hasseris stands today as one of the most desirable settlement neighborhoods in Aalborg. The site is easy to access from the main route and the neighborhood is clean and exclusive. Since the site is not surrounded by many buildings and it's located on the hill, wind becomes even stronger. Existing buildings from the surroundings area are mostly square-shaped and dominating colors are white, black and brown. Lowest level, which is the basement, stands for storage areas and disposal. Ground floor is meant to be a beauty salon, but the layout is very practical and offers the possibility to make changes in the future. First and second floor are used for apartments. There will be 2 apartments in each story. They are designed for couples and couples with kids. Penthouse is an exclusivist apartment with a large balcony facing south and a roof terrace which opens an excellent view to the Limfjord. In order to identify all the building and individual room function, we establish all the requirements and desires for the building. In order to get the best layout, there has been done a lot of analysis and sketches to achieve the best project. Building is orientated in such way that both apartments get view to all 4 directions. In order to give equal amount of privacy and daylight to all the residents, we choose to use a simple building shape. Plans are clear and easy to read, therefore prefabricated building elements can be used to avoid heavy expenses. Spaces are planned to provide as much daylight as possible. Residents will find transparency in rooms very positive and open studio type layout easy to live in. Location of apartments in relation to each other will avoid unwanted noise from neighbors. Bedrooms are facing north, since no need for more daylight. Each apartment has its own shop for all services. Disposal shop is reachable from corridor. Position of the rooms are very well thought. In order to have all the time daylight in the living room and dining area, we have placed them to south and the kitchen to east where it's needed for morning light. Large closet areas in south will provide daylight and warmth, therefore energy and money will be saved. However, semi-facade with different height railings and orange shaded plastic panels are used to provide shading in sunny summer days to protect terrace from direct wind and to make an eye-catching facade design. East facade will be mostly seen by residents of the building. From this side, also basement can be entered. Entrance is built in a way to make it easy accessible for bikes and people. Just few windows are located on north side to avoid heat loss and save energy. West facade, similar to south facade, has large closet areas to provide rooms with daylight and astonishing view. For walls, roof, floors and balconies will be used mostly prefabricated elements. Since our building is located on top of the hill, we offer semi-facade in order to avoid wind running through terrace and sun heating up the room. Shaded plastic panels and railings will shelter open areas and make them enjoyable even in windy and rainy days. Enjoy purity in planning, quality in materials and structures, and aesthetically pleasing appearance of this building.